Hi folks, Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2023 Ram ProMaster that's been upfitted by VMI. VMI is a mobility company, so let's have a look. So they added this steel running board here, but the nice thing about this conversion is this has what they call the smart floor. So it's rubber heavy duty floor with these aluminum machine tracks here. So you can move these 4 jump seats here anywhere in the van, and the wheelchair tie downs there inside those white boxes, you can set those wherever you want in here. So you can have the wheelchairs and these chairs in any configuration you like. You could easily fit 3 wheelchairs inside of this van. VMI finished the inside here. Whoop. That's a little plate, so the lift won't work if someone is over here on the edge. Accidentally stepped on that. Yeah, you get the idea. So we've got handles here on the sides, seat belts on the sides, and the buckles are the same deal where you can move them wherever on the floor there. We've got dark tinted glass on this. It's I believe 15%. 6'2" interior height in here, and then we've also got LED lights, and then the ducts here for heating and air conditioning. Seat belts for the chairs go right into the backs of them, so they can easily be moved wherever. Sliding door there. It's 50 inches wide, 68 inches tall, and you can see that privacy glass is dark. Come back here to the back. This is a Braun Ability 2-post commercial lift. We've got buckles here on this as well. Just strap the wheelchair and make sure it don't come out. But here's the controls for it. So we've already got it in the down position. We'll hit up here. First thing, that flap folds up so your wheelchair cannot roll off, and it starts to lift the lift up. There it is, done. And then you hit this fold button here to close it up. Just hang that right there. Now we will have a look up here at the front. So again, this is a 2023 Ram ProMaster upfitted by VMI. If you got any questions on this van, the first comment underneath the video is a link to the listing with the pricing and probably 3 dozen photos of it. But let's have a look in the cab here. So we've got the same little step right here, a black vinyl seat. This also has a wireless phone charger right here. The parking brake is over here. This is electric. And you got to have that set to be able to put the ramp in and out. But, so this has, we call it an interlock here. This prevents the van from the lift coming out when you're driving it, or anything like that. But it's not allowing me to put this in reverse right now because his rear doors are open. So not going to be able to show you the reverse camera, but this does have reverse camera. This is a 10.5-inch display here. It's very high resolution. It's got navigation on it provided by TomTom, and then there is the home screen for it. And here's your climate control for the rear. So that's heat, that's air conditioning. Very nice. Again, 2023 Ram ProMaster upfitted by VMI. My name's Chad. If you have any questions on this van or any of these other vans in our inventory, that first comment with the link to the van also has a link to my personal information, Chad the Van Man. Please click on that. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks.